Ready to move your money across borders, quickly and affordably. Let's dive into how to use Taptap Send from the US. Making international money transfers a breeze. First, download the Taptap Send app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app, which will bring you to the home screen, and tap Send Money. You will be asked to select the country you would like to send money to. Click on the country icon to select where your money is going. Taptap Send covers many countries in Africa and Asia, making it easy to transfer money around the world. Next, enter the amount you wish to send using the on-screen number pad. The app will automatically calculate the exchange rate and display the amount your recipient will receive. Choose how your recipient receives the money. Options might include direct bank deposit, mobile money, or cash pickup depending on the region. Now, enter your recipient's details, such as their full name, bank account information, or mobile money number. This will depend on the option chosen. Double-check the information for accuracy, it's crucial. After adding the receiver details, tap Next. Taptap Send allows you to pay through a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Choose your payment method and enter the necessary details. Review your transaction details, including the total amount, fees, and exchange rate. Then, confirm the money transfer. You will be asked to confirm the transaction with a PIN. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a confirmation and tracking ID. Share this with your recipients so they can track the money and know when it will be available. Congrats! You now know how to use Taptap Send. Start sending money today and experience the ease, speed, and affordability of Taptap Send. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful videos.